All right, guys. Trading stock is the game of the number of shares that you have. All right. So if you bought a huge number of shares, you're going to make a lot of money once the share surge. All right. So let's check this. Let's see this for example. This is how to know the companies that you can trade just for a short time. All right. You know very well that this price of the share is low does not mean that you should just bring your own money and then invest in. But if you want to invest, you do it wisely. You only take a position. All right. So click on it. So now you see this. This stock is very low. It has fallen down to um as of April 9, it was just 0.01. All right. And as of April 14, it was 0.02. So let me show you how this works. Now come to this place. When you come to this place, you are going to, this is trading view. So you are going to type the name of the stock, which is Sonation. All right. And click on it. Click on the NASDAQ. All right. Because it's being traded under NASDAQ. And then you see this is the line. This is the candlestick chart. So this is what you are going to consider. Now, when you come to this place, you are going to consider this. Look at the revenue of the company. The company has made a revenue for the fiscal year of 63 million US dollar. All right. But in real sense, the net income, the money that they are supposed to keep, that is the profit after running all the company operations and all the expenses, taxes and everything, what they are supposed to take home, they did not realize any profit. Rather, they have lost about 8.13 million US dollars of their own investment for the whole 1 year. All right. And basic earnings per share trailing 12 months. You can see there. This is what they are still losing. All right. The total market capitalization is not even up to. So you can see this is the total market capitalization. All right. But you can see the volume that this share is traded is very high, about 878.44 million shares have been traded just today. All right. So this is how you do it. When you see this kind of thing, when you see the company's financial statements looking this way, the financial health looking this way, you know very well that you cannot bring your money to just come and invest in anyhow. The company is already losing. So if you are investing, you invest wisely. So for instance, you are investing, you just be putting like let me say $2, $3 and be waiting and hoping. That is if you don't have a lot of money. But this is what you need to do if to trade. To trade, you can make money here. You can see the beta is showing minus 0.84. The other number is in binary. So this is to tell you that the movement of this stock, the volatility of this stock, either sideways moving, surging, going up or down, is very low compared to the total movement of the market price. All right, the general US stock market. So let me show you. This is how you make money. Let's assume that you have $800. Let's assume that you have um um $50. $50 should be let's say 25. Let's say 2000. I have 2,500 units of this share. All right. If you had to use like $50, that is 2,500 units of this share when it was selling for this two as of yesterday. All right. So now that today that it has now moved to 0.4, you will have another 50 making 100. So that's how you make money doing this. Is the number of gain. Is the number of gain. Today you would have made that amount. And if you had used $800 is the same thing that you made. If I use like let's say any amount you use, $2,000, $4,000 you used to buy that share is the same amount that you make. But you cannot go with the investment in this phone. This is not the stock to invest in. All right. But let's see another stock. When you want to check stocks that are low, check, let's see, energy transfer. Energy transfer. Good. Guys, when you come here, always check. Click. It's trading on NYC. So you can see this stock. Come here, look at its financial health. Its financial health is looking good. All right. The total number of, look at this, is 10.17 million shares traded. All right. Today, and the market capitalization is 58.71 billion US dollar. All right. And the dividend yielded is 7.73. All right. So the market is, the financial health of the share is looking very, very okay. You can see the price to earn ratio, and you can see basic earn per share. All right. Now look at this. Look at the revenue. The company has made 82.67 billion US dollar revenue. Now, after spending everything, the cost of operation, taxes, and everything, the profit that they get to keep is now what you see as the net profit. And look at it, is 4.81 billion US dollar. Now, if you invest in this company, you know very well that your mind is settled, because it means that this company is actually making money. It's not because of news that is causing the price of the stock to move up. All right. So these are the things to consider. But another thing to consider here is this: for you to know very well that this is not a stock you will trade in a short period of time. Look at the beta. All right. The beta is low. So it means that the price of this share is not going to move high and fast the way you expect it. All right. If the market is moving by a certain percent, this stock price will be moving, all right, less, because it is less than 1. All right. It is less than 1. But if you are a kind of person that wants a growth company that will continue a it will continue to be growing up smoothly, moving, and then you want to be using money monthly amount that you can use to invest in this share. This is the kind of shares that you are looking for, the kind of stock on the US stock exchange that you are looking for. All right. So that's how you do it.